Hello superstars, it's another day to make money online, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make money online in Nigeria. So if you're interested and you still want to see more about these videos on how to make money online in Nigeria, then please subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also like this video. Please, it's very important. Please like this video and also leave a comment. So if you have done that, God bless you, and let's get into the video. So the first thing you have to do is to go over to your Google or Chrome and search for metroopinion.com. So once you've searched for metroopinion.com, the first thing you're going to be seeing in the search engine, click on it and sign up for a new account. Sign up, you just need your email and password. Once you're successfully signed up, they're going to send you an email just like this, that Metro Opinion, welcome to Metro Opinion. This is the kind of email you're going to be seeing. Now this has approved that you are currently signed in to your Metro Opinion account. Now what is Metro Opinion before I get in? Metro Opinion is a website that is going to pay you just to answer questions. As you can see, there are a whole lot of questions here. We have household questions, occupation questions, electronic questions, automobile questions, hobbies and interest questions, computer and video gaming questions, travel questions, smoking and tobacco questions, research questions, education questions, and there should be more and more down there. So what is the website going to do? You're just going to answer these questions and then you get paid. That's just it. Just have to answer it and then you get paid. There's still other little survey you can do, like going to test app. As you can see, there are no update on my survey yet. It means that there is no survey for me to run right now to make money. Now if this is just a new account I just created and I want to show you guys something. If you click on the balance, this is what you're going to be seeing. As you can see, I performed no questions in this particular account I just created, and you can see I have 0.00 USD. Now the minimum payout is 10 USD, that is $10. So if you want to make money, is on this section you're going to be making money. So let us go over and click on the profile. Now I'm going to be clicking on any of the questions. Okay, let me click on household. Okay, so unanswered, you can see these ones are unanswered. So let us try if we can answer them. How many people live in the household including you? Okay, so let's go ahead and answer this. So I think we are more than 5 in our house. Okay, so that's it. To the next question. As you can see, it was at 101, but right now it is at what? 100. Now let us check. Let's go over to our video. As you can see, they haven't reward us yet. Why? Because they are still, because you have not completed the whole of the task in this particular household. Before it was 19 questions to answer. Now if we answer all these 19 questions, we are going to see our reward reflecting here. And once you have reached the minimum payout, which is 10 USD, they are going to send it over to, we are going to be linking it over to our bank account or any PayPal account or any other thing. Maybe they can pay in gift codes, all the rest of that. What you just need is to answer these questions, you get paid, and you go on with your life. I hope the video was quite educative and informative. Please, if it was, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I'm posting new videos, you will get notified.